तमिलनाडु के थूथुकुडी में कांग्रेस लीडर राहुल गांधी ने अपने खिताब में कहा कि हिंदुस्तान की जमहूरियत की रूह को आरएसएस ने कुचल कर रख दिया है। आरएसएस ने जमहूरियत के तवाजुन को बिगाड़ दिया है और मरकजी हुकूमत आरएसएस की इस मनमानी में साथ साथ है।
A nation is a balance between its institutions. If that balance is disturbed, the nation is disturbed. That is the central idea. What are the institutions that make up the Indian nation? There are elected institutions, Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabhas, Panchayats. There is the judiciary. There is a supporting free press. These institutions together, they hold the nation in place. And what we have seen over the last 6 years is a systematic attack on all these institutions. Democracy does not die with a bang. It dies slowly. And I'm sad to tell you that democracy in India is dead. It doesn't exist anymore. It is dead because one organization, the RSS, has combined with huge finances to penetrate and disturb and destroy our institutional balance. That is what has happened. There are many different manifestations of this. Misuse of sedition law, killing of people, threatening of people. These are all symptoms of the problem. But the problem is that concentration of capital has combined with the organization of the RSS and has disturbed, and I would say actually destroyed the institutional balance in the country. There are multiple other balances that have also been destroyed. Remember that India is a union of states. So all the states come together to form the nation. When you destroy the institutional balance of the country, you also destroy the negotiation between the states. Because if all the states do not have equal say, then the power balance between those states is disturbed. And that is a serious problem for any country. This is what we are facing. And I think the spirit of this meeting is to understand what is happening and to defend the Indian nation and India's institutions from this brutal assault that is taking place.